Everyone, and welcome back to Forex Scope. I'm so glad you could join me today as we dive deep into the exciting world of Forex. If you're looking to stay ahead of the market, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we're all about providing you with clear, actionable insights into Forex trading. We break down complex market movements, identify potential opportunities, and offer you those crucial buy or sell signals, all while keeping an eye on those future price trends. Today, we're putting the spotlight on EURGBP, and we'll be examining it closely on both the 15-minute and 1-minute timeframes. This is where the real intraday action happens, and I'm eager to share my analysis with you. If you're serious about your Forex journey and want to be notified about our latest market breakdowns and trading signals, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Alright, let's jump right into our EURGBP analysis. The support zone between 0.87801 and 0.87825 shows clear signs of price action consolidation and multiple retests. Observing the price action, we can identify a period where the price struggled to break below 0.87825, indicating strong buying pressure at this level. Specifically, the period from 176.276.7000 to 176.276.7900 highlights the struggle, with the high price reaching 0.87827 and the low price touching 0.87791. This indicates that sellers attempted to push the price lower, but buyers consistently stepped in, creating a floor. The presence of several candles with relatively long lower wicks within this range further confirms the buying interest. This zone represents a significant area where the price has previously found demand and bounced back, suggesting it will likely act as a support level if tested again. The multiple interactions and the indecisiveness of the price movement within this narrow band point towards a potential accumulation phase before a possible upward movement. The resistance zone between 0.88067 and 0.88153 is a well-defined area of price rejection and consolidation, exhibiting significant price action characteristics. During the period from 176.251.8600 to 176.251.9500, the price faced considerable selling pressure as it attempted to move higher. The high price reached 0.88153, while the low price dropped to 0.88032 within this timeframe, indicating a struggle between buyers and sellers. The upper wicks on the candles within this range suggest that attempts to push prices beyond this level were met with strong selling, causing the price to retreat. This zone acted as a ceiling, preventing further upward movement and indicating a supply area where sellers were more dominant. The multiple rejections from this price range, with the price repeatedly failing to break decisively above it, reinforce its significance as a resistance level. This suggests that if the price approaches this zone again, there is a high probability of renewed selling pressure and a potential reversal. This support zone is identified by multiple candles testing the price range between 0.87806 and 0.87826, indicating significant buying interest. Specifically, the period between 14:05 and 14:19 on November 10, 2025, shows several price actions where the market approached this level and found buying pressure, preventing further downside movement. Notable price points within this timeframe include a low of 0.87803 and a high of 0.87816, with several candles exhibiting long lower wicks as they bounced off this area. The consistent rejection of lower prices suggests that traders view this range as a fair valuation, leading to consolidation and potential reversals. The multiple touches and the sideways movement within this zone highlight its importance as a level where demand outweighs supply, making it a robust support area. The time frame from 14:05, 0.87806 to 0.87813, to 14:19, 0.87810 to 0.87816, demonstrates this pattern of testing and holding. This resistance zone is characterized by strong selling pressure encountered between the prices of 0.87845 and 0.87878. Observing the data from 1443 to 1447 on November 10, 2025, we see multiple instances where the price attempted to break above this level but was met with significant resistance. The high price reached was 0.87878, while the low in this active resistance period dipped to 0.87851. The presence of candles with long upper wicks and sharp rejections from higher prices indicates that sellers were actively defending this price range. The quick retreats from the upper bounds of this zone suggest that supply was readily available at these elevated levels, preventing sustained upward momentum. The periods between 1443, 0.87861 to 0.87878, and 1447, 0.87862 to 0.87875, clearly show the market struggling to push through this ceiling, reinforcing its status as a key resistance area. The formation of these supply zones implies that traders are willing to sell at these higher prices, creating a barrier to further price appreciation. The price action in the 15-minute and 1-minute chart shows a complex interplay of support and resistance, with a recent bearish sentiment on the 1-minute chart and a more neutral to slightly bearish outlook on the 15-minute chart. The EURGBP has been trading within defined support and resistance zones, indicating consolidation. The 1-minute chart shows the price recently testing the lower support at 0.87806 and now showing signs of a slight upward correction towards the resistance at 0.87878. However, the broader trend on the 15-minute chart, with the middle Bollinger Band acting as resistance and the upper Bollinger Band being tested, suggests that upward momentum might be limited. The Fibonacci levels from 0.87801 to 0.87878 indicate that the price is currently testing the lower end of this range, which aligns with the support zone identified. A short-term bounce is possible as it pulls back from the recent low, aiming to retest the mid-range before potentially facing renewed selling pressure near the 0.87878 resistance. The increased tick volume around the previous resistance levels suggests significant trading activity, and the Bollinger Bands are widening slightly on the 1-minute chart, hinting at potential volatility. Therefore, we anticipate a retracement to the upside, followed by a potential push towards the 0.87878 resistance, but expect a struggle to break through it, likely leading to a reversal or further consolidation.